Hi guys, MOE'S Garage. Nicholas has got his Arrma Felony with the C8 Corvette body on it. It is bone stock with the same batteries. What are they, Nick? Spectrum batteries, the smart batteries. And we've got two GPSs on it. Are they both set up yet, or one? This one's getting set up. This one looks like it's ready. Are they both? You want to do a test to see if just do a couple miles an hour with it and see if they're reading and or if you know, just go for it. I guess you may want to walk with it while the top's off and just see if it tracks you at like 1 or 3 miles an hour or whatever. All right, that'll do. Okay, so, all right, they're both reading. That was 8 miles an hour. This is 8.4. Okay, the steering stayed. We're in a huge parking lot off of Barranca. We're at the college over here. And so we're gonna get going down there and rip. Go up there. Which way's the wind blowing? Seems like the wind's blowing this way, right? All right, so Nick, you're gonna have to go that way and do your speed run this way because there's a breeze. So you're gonna have to do it opposite. Start over there. All right, here we go, guys. This parking lot, a little more probably. So, all right, here we go. What do you guys think? We're hoping for in the 90s at least. We'll see though.
How will you know how fast it's going?
We have GPSs on it. That was a nice smooth run for the most part. All right, so
82.
all right guys, there's 82 miles an hour on that one, 82. And this one I can't read with the angle. Let's see here. I don't know if you can see in there with that, but that's, I mean, that's realistic.
82.
82 as well.
But
All right,
really fast.
here we go for another one. That's a perfect parking lot for it. All right, here we go. Did it die out?
It cut out because the pinion's
All right, let's let it cool down. We'll take it over to the...
It's not that. It's because
What?
the cat pack's too small. Other people say that too.
Okay. Well, I guess, and Nick is saying that the cat pack is plain.
It's too small.
The cat pack.
It's not enough.
So we ordered one. It's coming in the mail, and I guess we're stuck at 82 miles an hour. There's another gentleman. What was that guy's YouTube channel?
Driftomaniac.
What is it?
Driftomaniac.
Driftomaniacs. Okay, and then he had that other pack added, and it went 114 miles an hour. So we ordered that. We're gonna do another pass right here. Go ahead, Nick. Yeah, she's moving though. That's pretty fast. All right, guys, let's take a look. Yeah, it's still 82, 82.9. So it did not go.
No, it's 83.
And this one says 83. Oh yeah, I can see it. Let's see if I can get out of the light. Or maybe hold the car up at a slight angle. Just tilt it to where the sun goes in. There you go. Hold it. There it is. All right, so there you go, guys. 83 miles an hour. We'll get back to you after we get that packing, and we'll try it next week. Talk to you soon. Moe's Garage.